Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many ways to add leads into Zoho CRM. I'm going to show you how. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there are a few ways to add leads to Zoho CRM system, and I'm going to show you all of them. So let's go over to the left-hand side. You will see a sales icon over here. Use the drop-down menu to find leads. Now you can click on leads and you will see create lead. Now, if you click on create lead, you will literally be able to add in an individual lead. And this is fantastic if you do just have one or two odd leads that you want to create, as a completely individual unit. But if you want to go over here and you want to do it on a sort of more larger scale, you can import leads. If you click on import leads, you can go ahead and you can drag and drop your file here. You can make sure that it's in CSV or XLSX format, and then you can also transfer them from one CRM to another. So if you click on which CRM are you coming from, you can go ahead and you can actually click on whichever one you are importing from. If you click on other, you'll have to add in the name of the CRM if it's not listed in over here. So that's one way of importing or adding leads into your Zoho CRM. But if you want to also go ahead and create automated lead capturing, you can use the Facebook Ad Sync or LinkedIn Ad Sync, TikTok Ad Sync. Now, basically what will happen is the way you set it up is when there's an interaction between Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, TikTok ads, and one of your clients, your potential leads, you're going to go ahead and set this up so that once somebody takes action on one of your ads, you automatically capture all of their information and it gets added to your leads. Now you can create a new chain over here. You can set it up manually. You can do it from Facebook and Instagram. You can go from Facebook conversion via API. You can do a conversion lead, and you can also do your custom audience. Now, you will need to upgrade your plan so you can use some of these methods, but essentially it is pretty much the same way. You'll have to just go and set up how they actually work. You can do the same if you go in here to your LinkedIn ads. You'll basically set up a workflow as so if you are capturing leads, it's coming directly from the ad. So somebody's clicking on the ads, they interacting with it, and your leads will automatically be updated. So if you go in over here, you'll see all the leads right over here will be the new leads from all of your ads accounts, and then of course also your imports. You can also see that there are some bulk options over here and some other options, so you can go ahead and you can explore that as well. This is where you will manage all of your leads.